During a power outage, knowing how to manually open your garage door can be a lifesaver. First, locate the emergency release cord, usually a red handle hanging from the garage door opener. Pull the cord to disengage the opener. Then, lift the garage door slowly until it's fully open. Remember, safety first. At Bradenton, we provide dependable solutions for your garage. Get your garage door fixed right the first time. Call us now for a free estimate at 941-413-2254.